Hi there, my name is Ash Shukla, and I like to say namaste and welcome to my video. My friend, today I'm going to be talking about how do you make money online. Let's say that specifically, how do you make $1,000 per month online? Now many times when we think about online making money, we think it's a pipe dream. We believe that it's very hard for us to make this money, and we believe there might be even limiting beliefs that we have, that because from our ancestors, from people we interact with, because they don't know how to make the money. So what happens to us is when we are looking to make this money, typically somebody drags us down. And because we have been dragged down so much, we just can't think of creative ways you can make money. And so today I'm going to be sharing some ideas on how can you make $1,000 per month, just online. Now, let me start by saying that today's world is all about artificial intelligence. As you know, that artificial intelligence is growing, by leaps and bounds, right? Now, as artificial intelligence is growing, my friend, we have to, get aligned with it. Now, as you know, back in the day when we used to walk everywhere as human beings, right, world used to be really, really slow. As time went on, the internet came and the world became really fast and it became really small, right? Then time came, and nowadays what's happening is that the information age came and everybody got informed about all these things, and then internet really hyped up. And eventually the internet now is at a place, as you can see, that the world is moving at a rapid speed. Let me ask you one question. Do you believe that the world is moving at a rapid speed? Yes? Okay. So this was the case of a client of mine when they came to me for consulting, and they're like, Ash, can you give me some ideas of how can I make $1,000 a month on the internet, online? So recently, as a back in the day, we used to write books, okay, by hand. Like I wrote my book, Sell Like Crazy, in 40 hours, but that took me a little bit of preparation time and things like that, and it took a lot of being English is my fourth language. It was very hard. Now, as time went on, the internet came about, and the internet helped, with some research and things like that to really, dig into things. So a client of mine who came to me, who says recently and said, I want to make $1,000 a month. How can I do it? And I said, let me just give you a simple idea. In today's world, ChatGPT has taken the world by the storm. And my friend, as the ChatGPT has taken the world by the storm, okay, one of the things that you can do is that you can simply create an ebook using ChatGPT. So what you do is very simple. You go into ChatGPT and you simply type in the words of whatever book title that you want to publish. So you basically simply say, hi, can you help me write a outline for the book? So you might ask for and it will give you like the or the glossary, like the front of the book, right? So it will tell you like introduction, the paraphrase, the dedication. It will tell you like what the chapter should be for the book, even, okay. Once it's done with that, you can take that information, and this doesn't need to be a long book. It's just a short book, right? Like a booklet per se. And nowadays you can easily create a booklet, like I'm talking 10 pages, 15 pages, right? And you can literally ask ChatGPT to go inside, and each one, so create like a section for each one and say, hey, so let's say the book is about sales, okay? So the first is, okay, give them, maybe it told you to say, okay, what is Sell Like Crazy about? And so you write the who is it for, what is it about, stuff like that. Maybe the second chapter is, so you say, okay, Sell Like Crazy is for this type of audience. Can you help me write a chapter on this? And it will literally help you write a chapter, and you can even tell it to give you a conclusion for the chapter. So you can say that what I want to accomplish in this chapter is this goal. Okay, you can tell the chat gpt to tone of voice you want to use. You can tell chat gpt of to what type of individual you want to attract, like you want intelligent people, or do you want just regular day-to-day sales guys who are right. You can even tell the chat gpt which industry is this book written for. So you can say that write this for blue collar industry or white collar industry or financial advisors or whoever that is that you're trying to write for. You can say that. Okay, so and it will write it according to the language that makes sense to them. Okay, so that's the first step. Then once you do this by chapter by chapter by chapter, so like you just literally look at the chapter title, what is the end goal, what tonality you want to write the chapter in, or the book in, and then let the chat gpt do the work. You look at it. If you don't like the chapter, all you have to do is hit the thumb down button, thumb down on that particular when you see it writes that on the top right, you will see that as a thumb down. If you click that, it will say, what suggestion would you like to make to me? Why do you not like this, right? It's like a review almost. And you say why. And then it will rewrite it for you automatically like that, okay? You can even say, thumbs down, I want you to write this way. And it will actually rewrite the entire thing right away for you right then and there. Now, this may take you 15-20 minutes, okay? Maybe less than an hour, okay? And all you have to do, my friend, at that point in time is go to Fiverr, get yourself a nice book cover, dress it up really nicely using the digital book cover, and you can create a digital download with a small course. Now, let's suppose that you sell this book for $10. And that includes a video instruction on how to guide on how to make sales. Okay? Now, if you are doing this, my friend, let's just say that you sell 100 books per month. You figure out a mechanism to sell 100 books a month. All you did is maybe you did some speaking engagements, maybe you reached out to people on LinkedIn, maybe you reached out to people just online, like on Facebook. Okay, maybe you reached out, so anybody can purchase a $10 book. Would you agree? So that's one way you can make money very simply using ChatGPT and make $1,000 a month, because $10 book, 100 books sold is $1,000 every single month. That's one way you can make money. The second way you can make money using ChatGPT, same $1,000 a month, is, let's suppose that you are really good at, you want to really like make an impact, by wishing people happy birthday. Simple as happy birthday or anniversary or some sort of greeting, right? You can literally ask ChatGPT to create a greeting for you, and you can take those greetings, the customized greetings that you created, you can take those greetings and put it on Etsy. And on Etsy, you can create like a card, right? And you can literally sell it on Etsy for $2, $3, $4, $5, and Etsy will sell it for you automatically. There are other platforms out there just like that. And by the way, if you like this video, make sure to go down here and subscribe to this channel so that I can give you more tips on how to make more money and how to attract abundance in your life in the most unique way possible. Now, my friend, I'm giving you this idea because, listen, universe loves you. You love you, right? And more importantly, I love you. My friend, I want to make a difference in your life, and that's why I'm giving you these ideas. The third way you can make money, $1,000 a month, in literally online, okay, is by creating a YouTube channel that is successful. Now, as you know, that many YouTubers make thousands of dollars a month, and it's very easy nowadays to make money on YouTube. All you have to do is subscribe to certain tools and understand how the algorithms work. But if you take a little bit of time and get focused, like you can even ask ChatGPT on what type of videos you want to create. So for instance, you can say, hey, ChatGPT, can you help me create sales videos, right? So let's suppose that you want to sell that book that you created earlier, ebook, right? And you want to sell. All you have to do, and you want to sell it using YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, you want to do that, and you can ask ChatGPT to say, hey, can you make me a long form video content for sales? And I need five different videos that I can add value to customers, to clients, and to close the deal at the end. And literally, ChatGPT will help you step by step by step at every single step of the way. It will tell you when to pause. It will tell you when to say, hit the subscribe button like you are doing it right now. Okay. It will tell you exactly what needs to be done in order for you to create a nice video. Now, full disclosure, I did not type this in ChatGPT. I just like to have my own ideas. This is my way of doing things. And my friend, there's always a way. When you put your heart into the matter and give it all you got, you may not even need ChatGPT, because it is authentically you. And my friend, there is no content in the world that's better than you. That's something that you wrote, something that came from your heart, something that's good for you. And I'll just give you a little secret. My book sell like crazy. When I wrote the book in 2012 in 40 hours. And then English is my fourth language, because I came here from India with 20 bucks and no English. And English is my fourth language. So I wrote this book, and English was, it's not, in terms of like typing stuff, and back in the day, the internet wasn't that powerful. So I just wrote it. I gave it to an editor. I thought the editor edited it the way it should be edited. And I literally took that book. I created a cover for it. It has my picture on it, you'll see, if you go on Amazon. And literally, I took that cover, I put it on, I got it on Amazon, I sold the book. We sold 5,000 copies in literally 3 days. Now, I happen to know somebody who helped me with that journey. But my friend, what I'm trying to tell you is that I wrote that book, I'm talking like 160, 180 pages. Every single page, I did not know this at the time, that it had a grammar and spelling errors in it, until some of my friends read it, because obviously the editor didn't do a good job. So even with the grammar and spelling errors, I wrote the book, and I sold we had 5,000 downloads of that book within 3 days. And more importantly, my friend, somebody told me later, I fixed it. Now it's all fixed up, so you don't have to worry about that part, right? But nowadays, you don't have to worry about even that, because you can literally you can write from your heart, plug it into ChatGPT or Grammarly or something like that, and get yourself properly corrected, and not have to worry about relying on somebody that potentially may not have fixed your issue. So with that in mind, I hope this gives you an idea. Very simple, right? I gave you 3 simple steps, 3 simple things you can do. 1, you can create videos, unique videos that are on YouTube. 2, I told you about writing a book. Sell the book for 10 bucks. Maybe you offer a free video with it, or video series with it that they can use, right? And actually, you can increase the price with that. And the third idea I gave you was, writing greetings, weddings, birthday cards, and other things, whatever occasions that are coming up for people. And if you're really good with that, use that. But more importantly, my friend, never, never, never lose the connection that you have with yourself, and always be honest with the people you are serving, and you tell them that thank you so much for being in my life. I really appreciate you, and I love you a lot. And my friend, I appreciate you. So I'm here to tell you, thank you so much for everything. I love you very, very much. And thank you for subscribing to my channel. And make sure to click on the next video, so you can enjoy what's coming next. Thank you so much. Namaste, and I love you a lot.